Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a little mini haul. I got some stuff from Grove Collaborative and I am going to try to change out all the things in my house that are not environmentally friendly, my cleaning products and things like that. I'm trying to transition to better products, so I got an order from them. This is my first order, so I would like to share it with you guys and let you see what I got. So let's open up the box. I haven't looked in it and I forgot what I got because I got it and didn't open it because I wanted to share it with you guys. Comes packaged with some bubble plastic wrap and packing slip. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things, and one of the things I got 2 of. So the first thing I got is this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, and as you can see, I think it's 2 in the pack. That. Okay, I got some of these microfiber all-purpose cloths to use for my cleaning. And they're not that big. They're about the size of a washcloth or a dishcloth, but I got them to cleaning around the house. I got another set, so I got a green set and a gray set. Oh good, they tape them so they don't come down. Okay, I got this before and it was actually darker, so I don't know why this is so light, but anyway, because I got this from Target before. I got the Method Squirt and Mop Hardwood Floor Cleaner, and I like this. Maybe it's a different scent. This one is ginger and yuzu, so it's surface safe, non-toxic, and it is pet based. So I actually got 2 of those. I may need to check. I think I'm finished with the other one, but this one is much lighter. The one I had before was a lot darker than that. I got the Myers Clean Day dish soap to try that. And if any of you guys have tried any of these products, just comment below and let me know if you like them. I really like this on my hardwood floors, and it makes my house smell really good. I also got some hand lotion to keep at my sink. It is the Clean Day. It's made with shea butter and almond oil, and it's the lemon verbena scent. This is the 16-ounce spray bottle that they gave me, and I didn't order this. This was a free product that they gave me for trying it. And Grove is a service that each month they send you the items like that you order. You can go on and say, you know, that's not what you want something else, or you can skip it. You don't have to get it, but it's like a monthly service. But the items were fairly cheap. I think for all of this it was like $20-some, which is not bad, because these things I think at Target where I got them from, I think they were like $6-7 a piece. So. Oh, it's a glass bottle, I think. It is. So they gave me this spray bottle so that I can mix stuff in it. So this is cute. I like that. And I think this is another one of the free items. I got 2 hand soaps. I didn't know I got 2, but I got 2 of the hand soaps and 2 of the mop. And this was another one of the free items. It's a little pail to actually keep all of your products in under the sink or wherever you want to keep them. So it's a cleaning caddy, and it has Grove on the front of it, so you can just put all your stuff in it and keep it that way, like that. Alright, so that is all that I got from Grove, were these few things. I also picked up a few things that I got from Home Goods store, so I will show you those things that I got as well. I'm going to reorganize my kitchen drawers, so I got a few of these caddies. This was a $6.99. It's Made Smart. It's the brand. For my silverware tray, I got one of these. I got 4 of these longer ones for like my spoons and plastic forks and stuff like that. spatula, so I got these for my drawers, and these were $4.99. They're 15.5 by 16.2 inches, and they're the same length as these. I have a few drawers that are wide. I can put these side by side or individually, and then I also got one more pack of this 3-bin pack, and this was $7.99, and it has 3 different sizes, some small ones, a medium one, and a big one. And the big one is the same size as this. So I got that, and I also got another water bottle. I had a big water bottle. This is a 48 inch, but I had 148 ounce. I had 100 ounce, and I broke the top. It was one of those flip tops. So I needed another one where I can just fill it up with water and know if I drink this, it's my enough water for the day. Or, well, 48, you need 64 at least, but just to take the work. So I got that. I got some clips for like chips and stuff. The plastic ones keep breaking, so I saw these, and they are metal, so I thought that they probably last better. These were $5.99. This was expensive. This was 20 bucks, but it keeps 48 hours cold and 12 hours hot. So I thought I would get that, and I like how the top is. It's wide mouth, so if you want to put something in there with it, and then it has the little handle, and I don't think I'll be able to break this one, so I got that one. I have another 40 ounce one, but it's plastic and it doesn't keep your stuff cold. And I have an avocado holder, but I needed another one, so I picked up a second one. Didn't get a whole lot of stuff. It's a small little haul. I got this strainer to wash my quinoa in. This is a mesh colander. It's a 6.5 inch, and this was $4.99. I got this ball for my herbs. I have a little small one that I use for tea, but this one, like if you're cooking something and you don't want to fish out like bay leaves or whatever, you want to cook it, you just put it in here. It has a little clip that you hang on the side of the pot, and then you don't have to worry about it at the end. You can just pull this out. You don't have to go fishing for it if you use whole herbs that you don't want to leave in your food and just want to season with. So I got that. This was, I think, $2.99. I got a strainer for my sink for the side that garbage disposal is on, because I don't like stuff to fall down into the sink. And I got a metal cheap one I got from the Dollar Tree, and I don't like it, and I don't like the way the food gets caught in that little metal strainer. So the plastic one would be better and easier to clean, so I picked this up. This was $2.99. I think I got 2 of those. And I got the same, this is the same brand core, and I got the little hanger to hang on the sink to put my sponges in, just to hang over the sink. So I got that. This was, I think, $2.99 as well. $4.99. This one was $4.99. And I got a mortar, because I have some whole herbs that I want to crush up. And I don't have a coffee grinder. I said I was going to buy a coffee grinder to do that, but I ended up getting this instead, because I've always wanted one. And this is white marble, and it is $7.99. I thought it was gray. I didn't read it. Oh, it is gray. Grayish white marble. So that's pretty. It's heavy. It's not too big, not too small, but it's just right for freshen up around, like coriander or seeds, or if you have mustard seeds or something you want to grind up, you can do it with that. So I have that, and I got 2 very large cutting boards. Well, they're not that large, but they're pretty big. I got a black one. They're super boards. These were $9.99, and I got 2 of them. I got a black one, and I got most of them to just do photography on when I'm taking my food pics. And then I got this one that looks like it is marbled, and both of them were $9.99 each. So that is it of everything that I got from Home Goods and Marshalls and the Grove. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to do so by clicking that little subscribe button below. Click that little link up here, and it'll link you to some other hauls that I've had as well on this channel for kitchen stuff. And yeah, and as always, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.